Hello everyone. I'd like to talk to you about what my expectations are for the Cabrillo College continued registration process. Now, some of the students have already got a great head start on this, and some students have even completed it, but some students have not. Now, there are detailed instructions on the Google Classroom from Cabrillo, and Vanessa has sent step-by-step, bullet point by bullet point, picture by picture instructions on how to complete the registration process. Now this process has a series of green dots that will appear as you complete objectives, and I think there's about 10 green dots. And at the end, it will say like, you've successfully completed the registration process. Then we're going to be waiting 24 to 48 hours to get our Cabrillo ID. This is a 7-digit number. So specifically, if you have that 7-digit number, then you can go to the second step, which is the CATMA registration process. That's a separate page and a separate link on Google Classroom. So for you to do that, then that is where you actually lock in my class as the class that you're earning credit for through Cabrillo through the articulation agreement. So please let me know if you have any questions with the process. It is quite of a long process, the first part. This part takes about, I would say, less than 10-15 minutes. This part, depending on how you go through it, could take you, I would say, I've seen some students do it in about 15 minutes, and I've seen some students do it in about an hour. And so definitely, this is what's going to take longer. All right, so continue to do your best on that, and we will get through this registration process. Thank you.